Hello! Welcome to a new episode of Bo's Slow English. I am in Hawaii, still on the island of Kauai, and we are taking a tour around the hotel resort that we're staying at. We're walking down this windy path. Windy looks like windy, but it's very different in definition, so don't get them confused. Windy means that it kind of like goes in and out, swerves in and out like that. These people are waiting for their car, swinging on the swing set. Okay, we are walking into the entrance of the hotel. Please like this video and subscribe. And if you love this vlog, you can consider joining my membership. The button is below, which gives you early access to all of my videos. These are lanterns, and this is a chalkboard. Here are some golf clubs. They are out for display. If you want to borrow them, they're here at the concierge. We are going into the gym area. Hi, good morning. This is where we worked out yesterday. I think they just had a yoga class in this studio. So you can make a reservation for these day beds. So we're going to walk down this path to the daybed area. People like to lounge around on the daybeds here. And we have an infinity pool. Can you tell why this pool is called an infinity pool? Because the edge of it is not clearly defined. We just felt the temperature of the water, and it's very lukewarm, which is perfect. The view from down here is a different vantage point. Vantage point means the perspective. We were up there where those people are standing on that deck, and now we're down here. And our room is up there where there's laundry hanging. I worked out yesterday and I did not want to put sweaty clothes into my suitcase. Now we are heading up to breakfast. We just sat down and I asked to be seated in the most quiet area of the restaurant. The entire restaurant has a beautiful view of the outside. There are people over here who just got a plate of food from the buffet. The breakfast buffet is $56. It includes all sorts of food. Actually, let's go take a look at the buffet. We're going to walk over here. Sorry. Hi. Oh. Interesting. This is for Bloody Marys, I think. Do you know what a Bloody Mary is? It's a savory type of alcoholic beverage. We have, grapefruit juice, water, and orange juice. And let's see what they have over here. These are pastries. This is a chia seed pudding. That looks pretty good, but a little too sweet for me. We have bread and croissants. This one has matcha. That's why it's green. We have freshly chopped fruit, including cantaloupe or cantaloupe. I think if I were to say that quickly, it would be cantaloupe. pineapple, more cantaloupe, honeydew, grapes. We have some bacon. Let's see, this has eggs, I think. Scrambled eggs. We have an omelet chef here. Omelets made to order. A bowl of ketchup. Local hot sauce. We have rice.
Did you order?
Rice.
Okay, you didn't order yet. So this must be the one.
We have potatoes.
I'm sorry, I don't
Pancakes.
remember.
Interesting. They have broth here. They have mushroom broth and chicken broth. Most people are ordering from the buffet. I don't think it's worth it, in my opinion, for $56 because I personally do not plan on eating that much food. I just need one plate of food. And also, I need to ask them to wipe off this table because there's bird poop on my table. They just brought over a glass of iced water. I don't like ice in my water, so I'm going to order the lemon ginger tea off the menu. I love drinking hot beverages. It's good for digestion, so I'll get the fresh ginger lemon tea. Okay, we just got our breakfast. This is steak with poached eggs. There's a béarnaise sauce, a side of sweet potatoes. We also have a side of regular potatoes and the parfait, the yogurt parfait topped with granola, blueberries, and what is that on the side? Something else. All right, I'm going to use the steak knife and I will cut the steak. I have the fork in my left hand. Ooh, can you see how the egg is perfectly poached?
We have at the moment?
Yes.
Awesome, I love it.
Thank you. Wow. I think this is short rib. It's so tender. Let's try it. Oh my god. It's so good. Let's try this. Wow. I think these are Japanese sweet potatoes because they're purple. This is the most delicious sweet potato I've ever had. It's super crispy. There's a little bit of garlic. It has some chives sprinkled. It's soft on the inside but crispy on the outside. And this sauce is delicious. Everything just melts in your mouth. Let's try this potato. Dipped in ketchup. So far, Hawaiian people do not disappoint with how they cook their potatoes. They know how to do crispy potatoes. Okay, I'm going to enjoy my food. I sound like a food critic. I'll talk to you soon.